So what I want to do is look at these words that are going to be new to you, kinds of words that you're going to have to break apart in 2 Blue that you didn't have to do in 1 Blue, so that I can help you figure out how to do it best, okay? All right, so have you seen this before?
Yes.
Okay.
Different words.
Okay, good. So we're going to read a little bit out of my book here. And what I want you to do is start here and read as many of them as you can, okay? And I might stop you, but you go until I say stop, okay? These are going to be 2 Blue words.
10 and D.
I want you to start just on this column, okay? Because these are 1 Blue words, right? And these are 2 Blue words. Okay, try it out.
Ending. Eating. Coaching. Raining. Seeing. Playing. Not playing.
Good, you know what? I think we can stop right there, and I want to show you how to do something, okay? That's going to make 2 Blue words easier to read. Ready? Get your finger out. I want you to go to the very first word that you read, and I want you to cover up the ending.
Ending.
There you go. What word is that?
End.
Good. Now, add that ending to it. Cover up end. Let's focus just on the ending. What's that ending?
Eat.
Ed or ed?
Ed.
Okay.
Ending. Ending.
Okay, so watch how I do this. Ready? End, ed, ended. It should sound like a word that you've heard before, okay? See how I did that? First I looked at the beginning, and then I looked at the end, and then I put it together. So ed says ed, okay? So can you try that on the next one? Cover up the ending first.
Eat.
Okay, good, you know that one.
Eating.
Good. What's the word altogether?
Eating.
Is that a word?
Yeah.
Good, keep reading. Cover up the ending.
Coat.
Mm-hmm.
Ed. Coated. This one, the
So cover up the ending.
ring.
What sound can that letter make?
E or E.
E. Okay, so does it make sense? Read it all together.
Raining.
Good. I want you to keep practicing down this column here, okay? By covering the ending first.
See. Seeing.
Seeing.
Play. Play.
Yeah, that one works a little bit different than the other one that we did, right? Okay, you try it first. What's the first part?
Play.
Okay, play. Good. And what's that ending say?
Ed.
Good. So if you put it together, what does it say?
Play ed.
Does that make sense?
No.
Okay, let's make it make sense. What would the word be? A word that you use when you talk. The play is right? Not played, but
Playing.
how would you spell playing? What would be the ending on playing?
ING.
Right, like here, but this is ed. Look, let me help you. Ready? This word, it sounds like it ends in D. Played.
Played.
Yeah, sometimes it just sounds like that D at the end, right? Not like here in ended, but played. Let's see if we can find another word that rhymes. Oh, I don't see anymore. Learn and practice using our finger to cover up the ending, right? To focus on the first part of the word, and then to cover up the other part to look at the ending and then put it all together, okay? So let's see if when we practice in this 2 Blue book, we have a chance to practice using our finger to cover. Okay, so keep reading.
To make him feel better. We let in the dog to make him feel better. We told funny stories to make him feel better. We walked. Walked it?
Okay, does that make sense?
Yes.
Remember how we looked at the word, how that ED, right? Wait, let's write it on here. First we had an ED that sounded like this, right? What was that word?
Ended.
And then we had it when it sounded like a little different, but still was the same ending, right? So try those two options there.
Walked it. Walked it.
What would you say? Would you say walked it?
No.
Okay, what would make it sound right? Make it sound like this one. Played. Played.
Walked.
There you go.
Walked on our hands to make Dad feel better.
Okay, so here's what I want you to do. I'm going to let you keep this because this shows you the two options for that ED ending. It either sounds like ended or played. Say it again.
Played.
Played. Okay, good. But here's your power goal, Jaylene. I want you to, it's about using your finger, right? Use my finger to cover parts of long words and read them
in
chunks. Like parts. I'm going to write the word parts underneath so you know what I mean, okay? So I want you to go, so tell me what you're going to do again.
Read the words in parts.
Good. With your finger. And this is your guide card for ED. ED sounds like, okay? So I want you to go see if you can find an example of where you had to use your finger to break the word up into parts. Okay?